Couples therapists have been concerned for a long time about what happens in individual psychotherapy when clients ask for help with their relationship problems. There is a real potential for an undermining to occur of that relationship because of things the therapist says and positions they take. So we decided to study this by looking at a national sample of 101 clients who had been in individual therapy for relationship problems. And we asked them questions about what their therapist said in the therapy. We asked them particularly about how often the therapist diagnosed their spouse, attributed negative motives to their spouse, suggested their spouse wouldn't change, and also made a variety of comments about the relationship such that it was doomed from the beginning and not likely to succeed. So we call these relationship undermining statements, and we wanted to know how often the clients experience those. We didn't really know what we would find other than the fact that it was going to be more than a trivial percentage. What we found was high percentages, 50% or more of clients reporting these kinds of statements. And when we correlated the frequency of those statements with outcomes, relationship outcomes as reported by the clients, we found out the more often the client heard those kinds of comments from the therapist, the worse the outcomes, the poorer the relationship quality was afterwards, and the more likely they were to break up or divorce. So we feel that we have put some numbers on a phenomenon that has been out there that is not widely known in the public. We offer implications for the training of individual therapists to try to think more systemically and to not take sides and to be very careful about disparaging clients who are not in the room or getting caught up in negativity about the relationship. So we want to follow up on this, and we'd like to hear from any of you who would like to follow up with us about what you're seeing in your world.